Hey, are you interested in a wine that can be dry, sweet, sparkling, and appeal to lovers of Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Pinot Grigio? Stay tuned, we're talking about Chenin Blanc. Welcome back, day 12 of the Wine Eva calendar. Today we're talking about Chenin Blanc. Chenin Blanc is a really interesting white wine grown primarily in France and South Africa. California does some Chenin Blanc as well. I actually am going to be tasting a Chenin Blanc Viognier wine very shortly on the channel. The best, my favorites, the best, if you will, Chenin Blancs in the world are from the Loire Valley in France and South Africa. Perhaps you've heard of Vouvray as an appellation from France. Those wines are 100% Chenin Blanc. And like I was saying in the intro, you could have a regular dry wine. A Chenin Blanc could be sweet as well as made into a sparkling wine. I actually had a Mount Sur Louis sparkling white wine when we were in Paris at a bistro. This was 12 years ago. I wasn't really sure what I was ordering, but it was stupendous. Now, it could have been that we were in France, and the whole ambiance was part of the enjoyment of the wine, but I will always go back to that, the Mont Sur Louis or even a Cremant de Loire. Those can be great too. Now, one wine that I am particularly looking for is one that I haven't had in a while from South Africa called Rats Chenin Blanc. It's from Stellenbosch region in South Africa. And I've had this one in the past several times and really enjoyed it. I'm sort of having a little bit of a withdrawal symptoms right now on the Rats Chenin Blanc. So I'm gonna try to source that. Maybe I'll taste it on the channel here too. I think anytime you get the opportunity to explore like a Vouvray, a Stellenbosch Chenin Blanc, or just any Chenin Blanc, try it. Especially if you like a Chardonnay that is not too heavy and oaky. If you like the normal Pinot Grigio, and if you like some Sauvignon Blanc, these wines can appeal to you. Chenin Blanc is definitely more, I don't call it middle of the road, but it is in the middle of those guys. So it's an interesting one that I think people overlook. That's about all I have for you today. We'll see you tomorrow for day 13. Thank you so much for joining.